Namaste friends, the second part of the Sri Muttappan temple in Palapattanam. Omkaram Nigamaiga Vedymanisham Vedanta Tatyaspadam Chotpattisthiti Nasha Hetu Kamalam Vishwasya Vishwatmakam विश्वत्राणपरायणं श्रुतिशते सम्प्रोच्यमानं विभुं सत्यज्ञानमनन्दमूर्तिममलं शुद्धात्मकं तं भजे. This is the Omkara Mantram, the Pranava Mantram, which is of Sri Mahavishnu and Sri Shiva. The Muttappan and Vellatam means it is both together. Tiruvappana is for Mahavishnu, Vellatam for Shiva. So Omkara Mantram, according to my understanding, it's for the whole universe. That is what I have explained. Please watch this video, the second portion, and when you know the humble, the most simple way how Muttappan shows us the world. He is there to take care of everybody, help everybody, for the poor, for the rich, and for the downtrodden. And he has no religion, he has no caste. He is just for all the beings. And the dogs are the most important factor in his life. You can see when you enter the temple in both the sides, the brass dogs statues, and with the Teyyam, the dogs are just mingling more than the human being. Dogs just circle them and rotate them, and that's it. And anything and everything which the offering, they first give it to dogs. The dogs are treated like God. Maybe DOG, dog, GOD, God. Maybe some connection. So please watch and enjoy this video, and kindly share it with others and ask others to subscribe so that continuous flow of videos will reach at your fingertip. The occasions always comes, but here it is a regular occasion of having this kind of sales, because plenty, the devotees come abundantly to this place. So as you can see, everybody is busy with the selling of items. Idols of all Vishnu, Muttappan and Vellatam, Tiruvappan, all are here. Among the rituals, the most important is the Teyyam dance, which as you see in the video, can see it perfectly. They blend together, that is Tiruvappan and Vellatam, that is Vishnu and Shiva. Although all the ordeals are conducted and final decisions are taken by Vellatam, the devotees can speak to the Teyyam, the god, and he listens to them, and he goes as per his vision. He explains him, he consoles him. If you take the children to Muttappan and Vellatam, he handles the child, keeps the child on his lap and talk to the child. And many times you see the children are not at all making fuss or cry. They quite obediently goes about. Generally children, when they see such competitive costumes and characters, they get scared. But here it doesn't take place. He gives blessing to the devotees in divine language. It is performed by the members of the Vannan family. They are the people who generally do Teyyams. Every morning there are two Teyyams, Tiruvappana and Vellatam. Vellatam is for Shiva and Tiruvappana is for Vishnu. In the month of Tulam, there is Puttari Vellatam. Tulam means October. And the month of July, that is Karkadam, there is Anda Puja. That's near the Karkadaga Amavasi day. The early festival of the temple begins in the month of November and ends in the month of November or early December itself. The main offerings in the temple are Tiruvappana, Karim Kalasham, Uttum Vellatam, Payingutti Vellatam, Payingutti, Vilakkum Mala, Chorunu, and Tulabharam. The rate of the offerings remain unchanged from the time the prices were fixed. This is the only temple you see, irrespective of the hike in the prices, the inflation, the price remain fixed, no change. Because Muttappan, Vellatam, they want the poor to be taken care of. The Sri Muttappan Parashinikadavu temple has played great role in the social development of the area. In fact, the whole of North Malabar is visible about it. I don't think there will be any household who have not been to Parashinikadavu to meet Sri Muttappan Theyyam. The temple has paid attention to promote charitable activities and other welfare programs throughout. The temple authority established a school years ago to give free education, free meals to the poor, and it was in the forefront to reach medical service to the public whenever there arise a need. It's very nice to hear when the way they call the Vellatam calls Tiruvappan and Tiruvappan calls Vellatam as Nayanar and Cherukka. You know the meaning of Cherukka means a little boy. Cherukka means little boy, like a little brother kind of. And Nayanar means kind of a Karalava, means somebody elder. So the Shiva is treated as an elder and the Vishnu is treated as a Cherukkan by him, not by us. And the way they go about with the Theyyam festival, even otherwise on a daily routine, you just love to be there. As you see over here, actually they don't allow the cameras these days to catch videos. They don't. Luckily, I was blessed to get this little time for an action, and I could capture. It is because it was a Good Friday, it was a holiday, and not many, they were devotees, but lesser, and I requested them and expressed my desire to have a little glimpse of the God, and they allowed. It was something great. I would love to go every year to this place and get blessed by the God. Now, there is another important, as I said in my earlier videos that other than the human beings, the other life beings are given utmost importance in Bharat, in the Sanatana Dharma. As you see here also, the dogs are treated so well. In fact, every temple you see, the people who guard the temple always, some gods or some lords or something like. But here you see dogs. You can see 2 dogs both the sides of the temple. The statue is in brass actually, but never mind. It is that. And you can see the dogs mingle with the Theyyams throughout. And everything over here is offered to dogs, and you cannot hurt the dogs over there. The dog is treated as any other disciple, as any other pujari or priest. In fact, more than the priest of the temple, the dog is treated. So please come and visit Sri Muttappan at Parashinikadavu and be good at taking his blessings. You can tell your problem to God directly, and whichever language you wish to, there will be someone to explain. And thank you for watching this.